Okay guys, I am back with another video. We're at the camping spot right now. I'm just going to pack everything in there, even Sophie, but not right now. I gotta put the car seat. Sorry guys, I'll show you the spot. It is under there, like dark. Yeah, so guys, I'm putting on the light part of this. So this should be good enough for y'all to see what we are doing. There it is, the spot. Y'all guys are gonna be sorry it's dark, guys. Like I have nowhere to put y'all, like literally nowhere. Oh, sorry guys, y'all backwards. It's not a camping spot. Here is our camping spot. Sorry. Okay, that's good. Okay, here's our camping spot. Sorry, I'm moving the bag. Here is our camping spot. There's the diaper bag, like there. That's the diaper bag and the bag. Okay, I'm going to grab the puppy. Puppy's right there. Sophie has stayed her bed because she fell out and she broke a leg. I took her to the doctor before we came here, but she is fine. But she broke her leg, so she has to keep one leg. She broke her leg here. Let me show y'all. She broke her leg here because she fell out of the car because the door was open. As you can see, come on, baby. She broke her leg. That's her broken leg. They have a cast on her. Yeah, they put a cast on her. Sorry guys, this is what she is laying on here. That's like mostly what y'all can see, but I'll move here. Sorry guys. As you can see, there's where she is. Everything else is like here. Let me put it closer. The puppy. Here's the baby, and here is the diaper bag. That's the diaper bag. Sorry guys, it's my brother's blanket, but there's the diaper bag right in front. If you can't see the other baby. The other baby is like in that cart there. No, that cart, that right there. That little car seat. Well, it's actually not a car seat, but here, let me put it upwards, so you can see better. Like that's the baby. That's her. She is just looking right there. Yeah, Sophie. If I make her walk, she's gonna hurt herself more. But pet piggies, let's go see them piggies. They're guinea pigs. Yeah. Piggy right there. Piggy right there. Say hi, Piggy. Oh, this is the cage. I get the long
Wait, let me put up my cereal. Let's go.
Where's the guinea pig? Oh yeah, we have 3 layers. There's the food bottle, water. Okay, guys. Here's the food bottle. I'm gonna do a movie video. That's it for this video. We're gonna stay here forever, the camping spot, because our home is like bad. So, sorry guys, y'all in the light. Yeah, I have to open the light. Yeah, guys, that's the view outside. That's our neighbors over there, our friend. That's my dad's friend. And my friends, 2 friends. I have 2 friends. Guys, that's it for this. Sorry, guys. just got that is it for this video. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. Bye.